Welcome to this special episode of Pause and Reflect. Whether you're staying home this summer or traveling somewhere far away, this is your time. A time to breathe, to slow down, to return to yourself. In the next 30 minutes, we'll explore how to enjoy your summer mindfully without pressure or guilt. Whether you have a tight budget, no travel plans, or you're already packing your bags, this is your moment to reclaim joy. Staying home during the summer doesn't mean you're missing out. It means you have the chance to slow down and create joy in small, meaningful ways. Let's begin with the morning. What if, instead of rushing out the door, you created a summer morning ritual? Imagine this. You wake up slowly, open your window to let the sunlight in, stretch your arms, and breathe deeply. You make your favorite breakfast, not because you have to, but because you want to. You sit in silence, no phone, just you and the moment. That's a summer moment, a real one. Each day of your staycation can be a little adventure. You can pick one theme for each day. A nature walk, a new recipe, a digital detox day, an art day where you draw, paint, or create without judgment. The idea isn't to fill your time with tasks, it's to fill it with presence. Your home can transform into a sanctuary. Light a candle. Play soft music. Take a warm bath. Put on fresh clothes. Read a novel. Do these things not out of boredom, but as acts of self-love. If you're planning to travel this summer, take a deep breath. We often rush to pack, book, schedule, and plan until we're so exhausted that we forget why we're traveling in the first place. But travel isn't just about changing locations, it's about changing perspective. So let's prepare not just with luggage and passports, but with presence. Here are some mindful travel practices to help you truly enjoy your journey. 1. Leave your work behind, log out. Set an away message, let go. 2. Pack light, emotionally and physically. You don't need to take everything. Bring what brings you peace. 3. Create space in your schedule. Don't fill every hour. Leave room to wander, nap, or do nothing. 4. Travel slow. Walk more. Talk to locals. Eat slowly. Look up at the sky. And remember, the destination is not the goal. Peace is. Now, whether you're home or abroad, one thing remains true. You deserve rest. You deserve joy. Let this summer be a soft season, a season to reconnect with yourself. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel this summer? What do I want to let go of? What do I want to welcome in? Take a moment now to close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and gently repeat. This summer, I give myself permission to rest. I give myself permission to enjoy. I give myself permission to begin again. Thank you for spending this time with yourself. Let this video be a gentle reminder that joy is not found in grand plans, but in small present moments. Whether your summer is quiet or exciting, may it be yours, fully. We'll see you again soon. Until then, breathe, rest, and reflect.